Hello friends, are you losing your customer due to COVID-19? Is your business has limited reach? Is your sales falling down? Is your business down? Does your customer still afraid to come to your place? Are you fed up with this COVID-19 situation? Don't worry. Every problem has a solution. Here in this video, I'm excited to share some business ideas. Let me brief you a little more. Today, we all are facing a problematic problem situation in our businesses. But there are some simple ways which can make your business grow. Instead of taking advantages of people's fear, we can convert this time into a new opportunities. Friends, I'm Sanket Patel, founder of the High Lab Solution. We are a digital branding studio. I have a customer across the globe. My customers come from Europe, Africa, Singapore, UK, and the USA. The first ever step is to have your presence in search engines like Google, Bing, etc. Within this COVID-19 situation, as per the statistic, there are 4.45 billion internet users are worldwide and it's increasing every day. People are more spending the time online. As per the statistic, there are different purpose of the searching like knowledge, entertainment, business, etc. After that, your business should have a unique website, whether you are a manufacturer, retailer, or service provider. Website, which means your business identity. You can share your business information through website. There are approximately 1.58 billion active websites in the world, and out of that, only 64% of small businesses have a website. And in particular, small countries or developing countries like India, African region, or there are those few regions that ratio could be lower. There are different type of website that makes your business online. It's like corporate website designing, e-commerce website designing. 2 out of 3 people prefer a real beautifully designed website, like UI UX design. There are few types of website designing, like UI UX based designing, custom design website, interactive websites. You can design your website as per your business information or as per the branding presence you want to share to the public. Suppose interactive website that make your website or present to the website to the people its interactive way through different animations, through its designed purely from user interaction stories, which is presents to your brand, either your product, your services, as per your focusing want to share your uh, to the public. Another solution is e-commerce website and mobile application. E-commerce is the most searchable keyword right now. Through e-commerce platform, you can make your products available online. Nearly 70% of the internet in the traffics come from mobile and website. After COVID-19, consumer behavior has been changed. Today, more and more people are using e-commerce platform. There are the numbers of giants e-commerce platform available like Amazon, eBay, AliExpress, etc. And even though you can place your products through this giant, or even though you can sell your products through your own e-commerce platform or mobile application. So this is the reason why e-commerce websites are successful in today's scenario. As a business owner, you know your customer better than anyone else. Depending on your industry and audience response to this situation may vary. I hope my information or ideas will help you to understand the current scenario of digital integration and you can continue to serve them as best as you can. Thank you very much.